You're ridiculous.
This isn't going to go in the oven for super long yet.
Okay.
I'm only going to cook it for like half an hour. So, if you're planning on taking a shower in between, you're not going to watch.
Okay. This is too funny to miss. So proud of my son. What is it, buddy? Victor, hey, what's up?
Vicky.
What are you doing?
Vicky, look at me.
He's making a horrible face.
He's going to be very sad to see that when he's older.
That's right, Victor, let it all out. At least it's another way he can amuse himself. Your face looks horrible, Victor. You make such a horrible face. Disgusting, he's like spitting all over the place. It's like bubbling out of his mouth.
Yeah, he's doing that earlier. But it's a good sign, I think, because he's moving his muscles. That will help.
Victor, I might feel bad for you. You were making a ridiculous sound. I hope he's learning something somehow. Something tells me he's not. By the look at his face. Every time he starts to cry, he just keeps making that noise. I'm sorry, Victor. Okay, hey! Where's his strainer? Here, you want your strainer?
It's right there.
Ooh, cool. Let's get this.
Video now?
Yeah.
Vicky loves this strainer. That strainer's like as old as I am.
Cool, huh? Victor's new favorite toy. Good job, Victor. Uh-oh. 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 Go get it. Can you get it? Here, I'll help you out. Here. No? There you go. Don't drop it on that side. Just right the camera, the battery's been flashing on me ever since I turned it on. Oh man, I feel bad for laughing at Victor in this video. This looks so funny. Okay, okay. I like how I put the guitar in front of him, it's flashing and making its music, and he still is playing with the strainer instead of it. I don't know how the strainer is somehow better than the strainer is better than the toy guitar somehow.
The strainer is his favorite toy so far.
He's looking at the lights, but he won't touch it.
What?
He won't touch it, but he's looking at the lights, like, he's only distracted for a moment though, then he goes back to the strainer.
I
don't know if I can.
Well, it's a safety hazard right now.
Only when you open it.
Yeah.
Just hold on to the handle when you open it, and it's not a hazard. Victor, can you push the buttons? Can you push the button? No, back to the strainer. Oh man. Alright, looks like the guitar's getting some play. Nope. You just grab the strainer again. No kidding. We'll all the parents will have like a stuffed animal or a blanket, and we'll have like a strainer